Will Coinbase finally flip and reverse their stance on PEPE and list PEPE sometime this month? Well, we're going to dive into that in this video, guys. There are some indications that Coinbase is coming around to the idea of PEPE, as obviously PEPE, it's not going away anytime soon. It continues to gain popularity across the board, whether it's on social media or just from a volume standpoint, new holder standpoint. There's no question that Coinbase wants a piece of that action. Now, it had an interesting statement related to PEPE early on, basically calling it a hate symbol. And but now they're admitting that they didn't look at this fully. Okay, so David Gokhshtein has tweeted this recently, and I thought this was interesting. Coinbase has basically apologized. Maybe this leads to them listing PEPE. It says, editors note, this newsletter originally contained an overview of the PEPE meme coin that did not provide the whole picture of the history of the meme. We have updated the article and apologized to the community and our readers. There's never a dull moment on the blockchain. Here's what you need to know this week. Now, that's pretty interesting, saying the least here. Of course, knowing what's happened here with Coinbase and PEPE just in recent weeks. Now, they also tweeted this yesterday morning. This is coming from the Coinbase direct account here, which obviously is massive. And a lot of people speculating this could be a symbol here for PEPE. And you could see here down in the comments, imagine if it was an XRP relist, has to be PEPE related. I think it has to be PEPE related as well. A lot of people believe that here down below in the comment section. Again, this was yesterday morning. Okay. So I think, from a standpoint of will Coinbase eventually list PEPE? I think the answer is yes, because again, how do these exchanges make money? They make money on volume, and they make money on huge communities buying their cryptocurrencies on these favorite platforms like Coinbase, like Robinhood, like all these centralized exchanges, right? They all are in the same game. They're fishing in the same pond, right? They need volume to make money, and they can get volume from PEPE right now. That is why Binance went ahead and listed it right out of the gate, because they are in a little bit different situation. They're outside the United States. They are not bound by these weird laws. And it feels as if Coinbase is late to the game when listing these sort of things, because they're kind of on their heels a little bit. They want to tiptoe around and make sure the ice doesn't break, right, before they decide to do this. We saw it with Shiba Inu, actually, right? Binance listed SHIB back in 2021 in May. It wasn't until later that year, much later that year, in the late fall, where we saw Coinbase list SHIB. Now, interestingly enough, flash forward 2 years in 2023, it was May where Binance listed PEPE. How long will Coinbase wait? How much money are they going to lose by sitting on the sidelines here and not capturing some of this volume, some of this demand that is still moving up and skyrocketing as we speak here for PEPE? It's going to be interesting to watch it. Now, when we take a look at the charts, guys, we could see here we hit a local low point back about 6 days ago now. This was last Friday. We did have the big leg up after that. We got all the way down to the 11 range, had the big bounce up forward, basically doubling in price almost. Now we're slowly giving that back after it got back up into the twos. But we do have a possible retracement up flashing on our indicator right here after we dip down into the low 15 levels. So we'll see what happens here today, especially if we get something out of Coinbase. The RSI is pretty flat right now at about 50, so that's a good sign that we could consolidate here, at least throughout the remainder of the day. We shall see. But PEPE is quickly becoming and is the most talked about meme coin in crypto right now. When in the hell is Coinbase going to wake up and get some of that pie? We'll see. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think it's going to happen this month? Do you think it happens next month or later this year with Coinbase? Interested to hear what you have to say on this subject. Appreciate you guys again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other content. We'll see you in the next video.